Hello, I'm Brenda. And you are?
I'm James. How are you doing, Brenda?
Good, thanks.
Are you staying in this hotel?
Yes, I am. Are you staying here too?
No. Hotels are expensive here. I'm renting an apartment.
Oh, okay. Are you here by yourself?
No, I'm here with my family. How about you?
I'm here with a friend.
Is this your first time in London?
Actually, yes. This is my first time.
Do you like it here?
Yeah. It's a nice place.
How long will you be in London?
Until the end of next week.
Okay, it was nice chatting with you. I've got to get going now. Have a good time.
Okay, thanks. Hello. My name is Alison. What's your name?
I am James. Nice to meet you, Alison.
Glad to see you too, James. Are you alone at this party?
Yes, I am. My friend has fallen ill today and decided to stay at home. And you?
Me too. How old are you, James?
I'm 34. And how about you?
I'm a bit younger. I am 27.
Are you from New York?
No, I'm originally from Barcelona. But currently I live here, in New York.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 2 years already. And where are you from, James?
I'm from Boston and I live there.
What do you do there?
I work as an architect at a design company. And what do you do for a living, Alison?
Well, I'm a student. I'm going to be a journalist.
Oh, really? How interesting.
Yes. And your job must be very exciting too.
Yes, you are right, Alison. I love my job. What do you like doing in your free time?
Most of all, I like watching movies, playing tennis, and I kind of like horse riding. And what do you do for fun?
Well, I like traveling, sailing, fishing, and stuff like that. It's so much fun.
Oh, I see. Your lifestyle is quite active.
Well, it was nice talking to you, but sadly I have to go now. Could I get your phone number, Alison? Or your mail address?
Yes, sure, James. And are you on Facebook or on Skype?
Yes, I am on both of them.
That's great.
So, where do you come from?
Well, I'm born and brought up in Bristol, but my mother is from Spain originally.
Really? Whereabouts in Spain?
In Madrid. Have you been there?
No, I haven't, but I did have a wonderful holiday in Barcelona last summer. What do you do for a living?
I work as a tour guide for foreign visitors to London. And you?
I'm an English language teacher.
An English teacher? Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do. It allows me to travel a lot and I really enjoy visiting new places. I spent last year teaching in Korea.
Korea? Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it was. Right now, I'm back home, on my summer break. Do you travel much?
Yes, when I can. I especially love hot countries.
Have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have actually, several times. I went there last summer. The weather and the food were just fantastic.
Yes, I enjoy good weather too.
I was glad to talk with you. It's time for me to go.
Have a good day.